Hello everybody, this is Ahmed, and today I want to show you how to run a paid ad on your business Facebook page. I have Dan over here helping me. Thank you, Dan, for joining.
Thank you.
Okay, I want to talk to you just about the difference between a paid ad and a piece of content that you just post on your page. You can post a picture, you can post a comment, you can say happy holidays on your Facebook business page. Or you can run a paid ad. So there's two different things. Post and a paid ad is two different things. And today, Dan is going to show us both of them. As a matter of fact, we got the permission from one of our clients to run this for you guys and demonstrate on his page. Go ahead, Dan.
Okay, so we're going to start with a post just from the page. When you log into the page, create a post right here, and this is just going to go to your page. It's not like an ad that goes to other people. You're not going to get any exposure from it. It's just going to show up on your page. Very simple. You can type in whatever you want here, what you want to say at the top of the post.
So this is just a post. This is not a paid ad.
Just a post.
Okay, good.
Here you have some options. We're going to add a photo, COVID-19 updates, or you can get messages that'll add a button so that people can click on it to send you a message on Messenger.
That's where your customers ask a question. You guys open your hours, whatever. They just want to ask you a question. They click Messenger, then you respond to them, right?
Right.
Okay.
All right. So here's our Happy Tuesday post. Have this ready. Click there, post to the page, and you have it up.
Awesome. So this is a post, not a paid ad.
Not a paid ad.
Does everybody see it in all the client customers and potential customers?
No, not at all. Not even all the people that follow you.
So you're just doing it for engagement, just to show people that there is an activity on this page.
Right. To show people and to show Facebook. The
So-
platform itself likes active pages.
Good. So it's important to have a page with some activity. If you have it only empty and just run ads whenever you want to, and there's no engagement, that page, the algorithm push you down. You always want to have some activity and post like this. Happy Tuesday, Merry Christmas, Happy Thanksgiving. All these things help you guys to put you up on the algorithm. Some of you run your you promote your business on your personal page, which is fine if it works for you. But in order for you to run paid ad, you've got to run it on a business page, Facebook business page. Now, go ahead and show us how to run a paid ad.
Okay, and this is by far the simplest way to get it set up. On your page, right here you see promote, click that, and then you're gonna choose your goal. Now this is a brick and mortar store, they sell cell phones, and we just want more people near them to know about them. So our goal is gonna be promote your business locally. All right, so when you choose your goal, you'll see promote your business locally here.
Okay.
And here's your option. You are not a special ad category.
Okay.
The audience, in this case, your market for cell phones is pretty broad. So you
Sure.
don't have to choose men or women or even age. We're going to do between 20 and 55.
Awesome.
And then just in distance, right? So they're saying 30 miles is where it's set up. Now, St. Louis is a decent sized city. Probably don't have people coming from 30 miles away to stop at your store.
Absolutely.
And there's too many in between. So we're going to shrink this down to about 5. And, there's still almost 80,000 people in that audience.
Good.
Okay?
Okay.
Now,
So you're running the ad for a brick and mortar. It's a store, standalone store. There's no gimmicks, no fanatics over here. Only just pick the age between the 20 and 55 or 20 and 57. That's the sweet spot. That's where you're gonna get more customers for your buck, because you don't want to throw money out of the window. That's when you just set the ad to show both men and women between the age 20 and 55, 57. This is my special. That's what he's gonna run right now as a store. You're gonna be doing the same thing. Please write down this information because it's very valuable and it will help you to run your next ad. This is not for professionals. If you guys run it, you know what you're doing, then you continue watching or don't. But this is for beginners and people want to learn, and this is what we're doing here. And what's the next step after that? After you pick the age and the 3 to 5 miles.
Right. So, and that's really all we're going to change. You can go into detailed targeting, men and women, things like that, but I would run a few ads and look at the results before you really do that, because you don't want to miss people that you would you could have potential customers.
Sure.
Now we go to add creative, right? In here, the description, you can type whatever it is you want. We're gonna say huge holiday sales and just leave it there for now. For the content, the meat of the ad, you can use a post from your page if you have something published already, or you can come here. Any video or image that you have on your Facebook page, you can use.
Okay.
We are going to upload something new that I have saved on a computer. Gonna change the headline. The headline, you can't put a whole lot there, so you get cut off. And underneath this, you have a button label. Underneath, at the bottom of the ad, you'll have a button they can click. You can have them send you a message, again, like you did with the post. Get directions that'll pull up a Google map to your store.
Awesome.
Learn more, save. Learn more would link to your webpage or a landing page that you have set up, but we're gonna do call now.
Okay.
Because they like when people call the store.
Sure.
And next thing you do is choose when you want to run the ad. We're gonna do 2 weeks at $5 a day, so it'll be roughly $70. And we're looking at 2,000 to 5,000 people reached every day that it runs. So if this is the first time you run an ad, down here it'll ask you to enter a payment method. We already have one set up. And the placements, you want to make sure it's on both. It'll always run on Facebook, but you can run it on Instagram too. Even if you don't have an Instagram account, you want it there.
Okay. So you can run the ad now on Facebook and Instagram?
Correct.
So if there is a customer, a potential customer within that 5 miles, doesn't have a Facebook but has an Instagram, we'll hit them, right?
Right.
Awesome.
Right.
So you have 2 birds in 1 stone.
And it's not necessarily just people that live there. If they have Facebook on their phone and they drive past your store or a couple of blocks from your store every day on their way to and from work,
Right.
those people get put into these groups.
Awesome.
So we have everything set up, right? The duration, the amount we're going to spend, what our button's going to be, what the ad is. Click promote now. Submits the ad, and you're ready to go.
Voila. Easy. Very easy. Less than 10 minutes. You can make your ad. Of course, if you have, as long as you have the piece of content, as long as you have the special that you want to show your customers and potential customers. Remember, running paid ad is to get more people that they don't know about your store. And this is how we showed you. It took 10 minutes. As a matter of fact, you can do it in 5 minutes. Once you do the first one, 3-4 minutes, you'll be done. Just throw the piece of content, select the date, the beginning, the end, the circle, which is the radius around your store, 3 to 5 miles. I won't advise anybody to go more than that. Unless you are in a rural area, you can go up to 10 miles. If you are in a very, very busy zip code like Manhattan, New York, I won't even go more than 1.5 miles because it's people on top of people there. You'll be hitting at least 500,000 people. So you're in heaven. Thank you so much, man.
Well,
that was easy.
Yeah.
That was very easy. If you please watch the video again. If you like it, click the like button. And thank you so much for watching this. Take care.